Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon, ma'am.
good
afternoon, ma'am.
everyone. Good afternoon.
Morning, ma'am. I have done my homework. Ma'am, I have done my homework.
Which homework?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
English
Rashmi-
creative.
Java. Ma'am, see my homework.
SST. Are you talking about your SST homework?
No, ma'am. English creative homework. Rashmi ma'am gave us.
Rashmi ma'am gave you your homework. Okay, what did she give? Tell me.
Ma'am, diary entry. Diary entry.
Diary entry. Very nice. So what have you done in diary entry? What have you done? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have written a diary. Ma'am, answering question in detail.
Beta, be quiet. Listen to me, everyone. I am not going to take your SST now. That is being taken by Priyanshi ma'am. Okay, teachers have been switched. I am here to take your creative writing class. Is that fine? Now tell me, creative writing class is taken by Rashmi ma'am also, or it was being
Yes,
taken?
ma'am.
It is.
Ma'am, Rashmi ma'am.
When was Rashmi ma'am's last period with you of creative writing?
ma'am,
Today and
Today
ma'am,
also she
today
had a
and
period?
day before yesterday. Ma'am, day before yesterday.
yes, ma'am.
Day before.
Ma'am, day before yesterday.
Okay, day before yesterday.
Ma'am,
You
today
Beta, be
and
quiet. Let me first understand what you are saying. Day before yesterday, the new timetable was implemented. It was started. Okay, so that
and ma'am, the day before yesterday and that day before.
okay, Akshay.
मैम मीन्स आज थर्सडे में था वेडनेसडे 3
आज फ्राइडे है. आज फ्राइडे है, ठीक है? Yes. Now be quiet.
न्यू टाइम.
हाँ, न्यू टाइम टेबल के हिसाब से अब रश्मि मैम इज ऑल्सो टीचिंग यू इंग्लिश क्रिएटिव एंड आई एम ऑल्सो टीचिंग यू इंग्लिश क्रिएटिव. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट यू वांट टू से.
यस मैम.
How many periods in your timetable? Just check and tell how many periods of creative writing are there in your new timetable. Just check and tell me.
Ma'am, there are two days, today and Saturday.
तो रश्मि मैम कब पढ़ा रही हैं आपको?
Ma'am, you have said that new timetable, its period is on Saturday and on Friday.
Yes. So on Friday and Saturday, both the days I am supposed to take your creative writing. है ना?
Yes.
So that means according to new timetable, only I am taking your creative writing. In that case, Rashmi ma'am is not taking. है ना? Yes,
Yes,
but you
ma'am.
are saying कि Rashmi ma'am is taking. अभी तो आप लोगों ने बोला. You are confused.
Was taking.
Was taking. तो परसों से new timetable start हो गया था ना? I asked
Yes,
you. But now, okay, you have just 2 classes of creative writing. That is on Friday and Saturday. ठीक है? Now, no more confusion. Now, I don't know what you have done in diary entry or what. I have prepared. Did ma'am give you your syllabus for the finals?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
What is the syllabus? Tell me. I think speech writing, diary writing, and formal letter. Yes? Yes, beta, what is your syllabus? What 3 things are there?
Ma'am, there is comprehension passage, formal letter writing, diary entry, and speech writing.
Speech writing. Okay, very good. So today with me, we are going to do speech writing. Okay? I didn't know that diary entry is going on. That we'll do later in the classes coming ahead. For today and tomorrow, we are going to do the speech writing. Is that fine? Now, what is speech writing? What do you mean by speech? Tell me. Yes. Everybody, please open your camera, children, all of you. In simple words, I just want to know what is meant by speech. Yes, Taranveer, Akshar, Charitra, Arshika, Ansh Patel. Yes, beta. Only one hand is raised. Speech is a simple word. What do you mean by the word speech? Okay, Alankrita will tell.
A speech are the words spoken by a minister or a principal or any person who is going to announce a news or telling something important.
All right. Speech in simple words is the words being spoken by anyone is speech. What am I doing? I am delivering a speech right now. What did you do? You just delivered what you had in your mind right now about speech. Speech is something that we speak and somebody is listening to it. Okay, in simple words, speech is this. Just a minute, children, just a minute. Now, when we come to the next part, how to write a speech. Yes, if somebody says you to speak something on some topic, you will be able to speak 3 or 4 lines, 5, 6 lines hardly. है ना? But speech is a long, this thing. Speech is spoken for a long time, at least for 2 minutes. And for 2 minutes, minimum, how many words we require? We require 250 words. Yes, for 2 minutes, if you have to stand on, if you are on a stage and you have to speak on mic about something, then you have to have a little preparation about the topic, isn't it? Yes. Alankrita, you were raising your hand. You want to say something?
Ma'am, you were asking to how to speak a speech.
Yes.
So I was
How
just
to write a speech? Yes, I was asking how to. Is there any format that is to be followed? That we should follow while writing the speech? Yes, Alankrita, say.
Ma'am, I think first we should write our name.
We should write our name. Okay, along with that. Yes, anything else? Acha, have you ever heard anyone speaking something on a stage? Anyone delivering speech? Have you ever seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is it about? What did you
Ma'am,
hear
I
about?
am on the stage and I have said, I am Alankrita and I welcome you all to this.
Very nice. Very good. We give a little introduction. Okay. We give our introduction, or we can also start a speech by wishing the people whom we are whom we are speaking for, right? Say, suppose we are giving a speech in school. So we are going to address all the people, respected principal sir, respected director sir, MD ma'am, and my teachers and my dear friends. So this is how you address. Yes. Now, what is a speech like? Just listen to it very carefully. Writing a speech is very much similar to writing an essay, isn't it? Essay is also a long writing. Speech is also a long writing. But what is the difference between an essay and a speech? While delivering a speech, people are listening to you. The audience listens to you. But when you write an essay, the readers just read it. They're not listening to anything. While giving a speech, you directly convey your thought, your expression, and your message to your audience. So it is very important to keep their attention, to keep their interest going on, isn't it? Our speech should be very effective. When we speak, the audience should totally be indulged and involved in the speaker's speech, right? What the speaker is speaking. It should be very interesting. We should grab all their attention and engage them in what we are saying. There are different ways to deliver or present the speech so that the audience is interested. Then later on, what we do, how we write, there are different types of speeches. Like for say, suppose there are informative speeches. We give information about something. Yes, we want to tell your audience about a topic, about an event, or about any area of knowledge. Like somebody coming to our school and giving the speech about some traffic rules or some anything related to that is what informative speech. The second kind of a speech is instructional speech, where instructions are given, where you explain to do something. Like, for example, you want to learn football. So what you will do? You will go to play football. First, some theoretical knowledge will be given to you. You will be given some instructions that you are supposed to do this, this, this. So what is this? These are instructions. Then we have a special occasion. Like special occasion speech is where you are entertaining or informing the audience about a special purpose. For example, a farewell speech to teacher retiring. Yes, suppose a teacher is retiring and you give a speech on that. This is what special occasion speech. So there are different things, different kinds of speeches that we deliver. Is that fine? Now, if I give you one thing to write, will you be able to write about one thing? Because we have to learn to write a speech. So how do we write it? Yes? You want to talk?
Ma'am,
Yes.
there's a good morning. Good morning. My name is Akshay. So today I'm going to give a speech about this topic.
Very nice. Very good. Or I welcome you all on the occasion of, let's say it is Teachers' Day. Okay. It is Teachers' Day. I welcome you all on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Then you will speak a little about the Teachers' Day, the day celebrated to show respect and gratitude towards the people who live in their present to shape up the society. What are teachers doing? Teachers are teaching students to shape up the society, isn't it? To make the future of their country. Then you can talk little about the profession, how the profession is. It's a nice profession. It is a very noble profession. It is imparting of knowledge. By imparting knowledge, knowledge is gained by students. Yes, all these things about the teaching profession. So I'll give you this thing. Just start writing the speech on Teachers' Day. Yes, and whatever you want, it should be of 2 minutes. Prepare a speech of 2 minutes on the topic Teachers' Day. Is that?
We will write.
Yes, beta, you have to write. You have to write it.
Speech writing.
Yes, the heading is speech writing. Speech writing, and your topic is Teachers' Day. First, you will give introduction. Introduction. Then, second thing, the main body of the speech. And then in the end, we give conclusion. This is how you're supposed to write.
Ma'am, we have to write this or we will just write the topic Teachers' Day and the speech?
No,
Or
you
we
will
have to
just write the topic Teachers' Day. This I have written so that you can write it in this format. You don't have to write introduction, body, conclusion. No.
I don't understand what we have to write the introduction and body and
Okay, before the introduction, see, before this introduction, what we are going to write? Welcome, we are going to give a title. What is the title? Welcome to the Teachers' Day function. Okay, this is the title. We will welcome everyone. Welcome to the Teachers' Day function. Yes, then we are going to say good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. And then we will address all the people sitting there. So when you think a Teachers' Day program is going on in your school, who all will be sitting there? Honorable.
Children.
Principal
Honorable
sir.
children नहीं होता. Children are your friends. They are dear friends.
Prin-
ठीक है?
Principal
First
sir.
of all, you start from the senior most category. That is Honorable Director Sir. Yes? Honorable MD Ma'am, respected Principal Sir. This is how we start. Yes? Respected teachers and my dear friends. I, Neha Pahwa, will deliver a speech on Teachers' Day today before you all. This is what? This is how you'll be giving. You'll be addressing your listeners.
Ma'am, we have to write this format.
You want to write this format, so beta, you can write it, and then under it, you can start writing the speech. In conclusion, you will write the concluding lines as.
मैम टाइटल हमें हर स्पीच में देना है टाइटल
Yes बेटा, yes. टाइटल आपको बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Yes, कि आप किसके बारे में बोलने वाले हो, है ना? ऑडियंस को कैसे पता चलेगा? आपके टाइटल से ही तो पता चलेगा कि आप किस बारे में बोलने वाले हो.
Ma'am, we need to write title, then we will write then a small line, and then we will write welcome to.
Yes, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, on any occasion, principal sir, director sir, and MD ma'am light a instrument. What is that called?
That is called a diya. We call it a diya.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we write this? Good morning, everyone. My name is Akshat. So today I am gonna give a speech in
I am going to. I'm gonna is colloquial. It is informal. But where you are giving speech, we have to make it formal. So I am going to. If you want, you can also begin your speech with a good quotation. It is rightly said like that. Okay. It is rightly said. Not in this, I'm not saying that you give a quotation here, but any other topic that you get, you can also write a quotation. Do you want some hints to write in the main body of the speech? What all things you will write? Do you want any hints?
No, ma'am.
Anyone else wants?
Me. Starting में क्या लिखेंगे for after writing the introduction?
After writing the introduction, what you will write? Like you've written the introduction, then better you can write, I would like to say my thanks to my respected teachers who are attending this program and devoting their valuable time to us. Okay? Yes?
Okay.
I am very glad on this auspicious day. I am very glad to thank my teachers for who I am today. Yes? Then after that, you can also write teachers are like second parents. They shape us, they polish us. Yes, you can write various things. How your teachers help you.
Ma'am, don't understand body and consolidating line what we have to write.
बेटा बॉडी में तो आप लिखोगे पूरा अबाउट टीचर्स डे, ठीक है. कंक्लूडिंग का मतलब होता है जब आप किसी चीज की खत्म पे, एंड पे आ रहे होते हो. Conclusion means the end of something. So how do you end something? By writing the end lines. We can't just abruptly end up ना. हम एकदम सडनली अपनी स्पीच पे फुल स्टॉप तो नहीं लगा सकते. हम लास्ट में क्या लाइंस लिख सकते हैं in the end? Then like we can write, with the bottom of our hearts, we would like to appreciate your efforts. उनके बारे में, आपने टीचर्स के बारे में अच्छी अच्छी बातें लिख दी कि टीचर्स कैसे आपको हेल्प आउट करते हैं, क्या करते हैं आपके लिए. एंड बाद में यू कैन जस्ट एक्सटेंड अ थैंक्स टू योर टीचर्स. You can wish a blessing for them. Okay, you can give them a blessing. May all my teachers, and anything that you have in your heart for your teachers. You can even include these lines like, our teachers scold us. Yes, they certainly do. They certainly get impatient on you. But to bring us on the correct path. Why do they scold you? Why do they get angry with you? Just to make you good children.
Ma'am, I have written first. I want to thank everyone who are sitting in this function.
Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, I have written a speech.
How many words, beta?
Ma'am, I have not counted.
Just count and tell me how many words. Just see how many pages it has been. Like it is, how many pages long is it?
Ma'am, 127 words.
So beta Lankrita, it is very less. You need to add on 100 more words to it. It should be at least, I told you, a 2-minute speech requires 250 words. Add on 100 words, write something more. You can add on in the main body. Write it below where you have ended, and then later on when you, this thing, what do you do?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, when you fare it down, then you can add. Yes, beta, say.
Ma'am, besides this, that I request my teachers to come on stage and have their awards.
Yes, very nice, very nice. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, nothing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the word teachers also includes sirs.
Yes, teachers means madams and sirs. Children, done?
Ma'am, it's 211 words.
211. Okay, good. What about
Ma'am,
Akshaj? And children, what about other students? Aradhya, Alark, Shraddha, Unsha. Unsha, how many words have you written? Unsha?
Ma'am, I am written 100 words.
Oh, 100 is too less. 100 is just
Ma'am, I am written
passage.
300. Ma'am, I am thinking. I think I can 100 words. Abhi.
You can write more.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I am write more.
Okay, okay, no problem. Today you're just going to write it. Tomorrow you'll read what you have written today. And if in
Ma'am,
case
I written.
ma'am, can I speak?
no, beta, not now. We'll speak tomorrow. I'll listen to what you have written tomorrow. And if, see, in case you get something in your mind, something more comes in your mind to write about teachers or Teachers' Day or whatever, you can add on. Okay, make it very nice, very impressive.
Ma'am, how much time I left?
Better right now, only 2 minutes are left.
Ma'am, can we write this? Teachers are our second parent.
Yes, teachers are like our second parents.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, my speech is of 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Oh, it's just for 1 minute, 30 seconds. See, a few more words can make it up till 2 minutes. Yes, a few more add-ons will make it of 2 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.